class link, click on Adobe Spark. Once in Adobe Spark, and you may have to log in using your student email or teacher email, what you want to do is create a collage. So you'll click on Collage. Now I'm going to recommend that you skip this step here for uploading photos and go directly to select a size. We want to select the poster size, 11 by 17. And from here, students can load in pictures and add text to their poster. What I recommend is looking over on the far right-hand side, and you'll see layout. For layout, since they're working with 3 vocabulary words, I'm going to look for a layout that has 3 about equally portioned sizes, and I like this one here. Students can change the color scheme here to say this one or this one. You know, the possibilities are endless. But once here, now they can take each one of these rectangles and they can add in images. And they can either upload photos or they can find free photos, and they can also add text. So if they want to add text, then they can choose what their words look like, the font. So they're going to add text. Electronegativity. And it's showing up there, so you can take your text and you can move it, you can edit it. You have a lot of options there. So, and you can even change the color. So this is just a little preview on how you can use this collage feature. They can download when they're done and share, or they can simply share the link here, either to your Canvas page or to your email.